Hello everyone and welcome back again. I will continue for the distribution panel, and here this lecture I will show you the classification or the more important type of the panel board after we identify the component of it. Now see here, we will start with this panel which is called FDB, which we use it in our previous drawing. If you remember, the FDB LTG for lighting and FDB VWR for the bar. And FDB refer to the final distribution panel. The final distribution panel is an electrical panel designed to distribute to the final small loads, and it consists mainly from one MCCP or MCP3 pool as the main breaker and branch breakers, which is MCB single pole or double pole or three pole. See here, this picture illustrates the FDB. See here, this is a main breaker. It may be MCB3 pole as you see here, or MCCB. And here this is a branches. This start from red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, blue. The branches, as we defined, may be a double pole or a single pole. See here also this diagram showing the wiring of the FDB. See here, it consists also from this connector for earth electrode, and here also have a connector for neutral. See here, this is a earth connector, and here is a neutral connector. And from the final small loads, the conduit will enter this panel from the top or the bottom or from the side of the panel, and also the cables can enter from the downside or the upside, as you see here. See here, this picture illustrates the cable that enter from the downside, and here this is the earth also, and here this is the conduit, and it have a many type depending on the branches number. We can say 12 way or 18 way or 32, 36, and so on. And also here this picture shown the second type, which is the MDB. The MDB panel or enclosure that houses the fuses, circuit breakers, and ground leakage protection unit, where the electrical energy which is used to distribute the electrical power to numerous individual circuits or consumers points. It is taken from the transformer or an upstream panel. See here, it consists mainly from the main. Maybe we can use the ACB or MCCB. Also the branches here in the MDB will be the MCCP breakers. And here also this is a diagram, for example, for an MDB panel. It consists here. Also it have measurement devices as we described, and indicator lamps, and if we put it outside we will use IP65 or more, and it may be inside the building or inside the electrical room specifically. See here all the MCCB 3 poles, and also they are a CT and a VT as we said. And the third type of the important panel board is called the motor control center or the MCC. The motor control center is assembly to control some of electrical motors in central location. It consists of multiple enclosed sections having a common power bus, and with each section containing a combination starter which is 10 consists of a motor starter or fuse or circuit breakers and power disconnect switch. A motor control center can also include a push button indicator light, a variable frequency driver, programmable logic control (PLC), and metering equipment, and it may combine with the electrical service entrance for the building. MCCB are typically found in a large commercial or industrial buildings where are many electrical motors that need to be controlled from the central location, such as the mechanical room or electrical room. See here, for example, this is a circuit to control a motor. It consists from 3 contactors and one contactor and overload. This is a power diagram, and here this is a control diagram, and also here this is a power inverter to control a motor for starting, because the starting current in the motor may be reached to 3 times of the normal current, and if it starts without a starter, maybe it will damage the motor. Here this is the most important starter, which is called the power inverter. Control the starting of motor by play of the frequency by increasing the level through the operation of the motor. And here also this is automatic transfer switch, which is in short term ATS. An automatic transfer switch (ATS) is defined that automatic transfer a power supply from a primary source to the backup source. For example, if we have a generator, this is a circuit, for example, for ATS, and if we have a generator and main, in the ATS panel we have 2 contactors and sensors. If the electrical shut down from the main supply, the load will transfer automatically to the generator, and the ATS will give a signal for the generator to run to bring the power for the load. And here also this panel called the capacitor bank. The capacitor bank or power factor correction is a technique to increase the power factor of the power supply and switching the power supply without power factor correction. Draw current in the short high magnitude pulses. This process can be smoothed out by using active or passive techniques. This reduces the input RMS current and apparent input power, thereby increasing the power factor. You know that in the electrical there are 3 types of power: the active power and reactive power. And here the power factor have included with the capacitor to increase from the far value. And here this is a simple in our drawing. The capacitor bank will, for installation, we put it in parallel with the source. And this panel called the outdoor lighting control panel. We use it for the outdoor lighting or the landscape luminaire. The outdoor lighting control panel consists from the main breakers and the branch breakers. It seems like the final distribution panel, but the difference that it has a photocell or digital astronomical clock, and it had 3 operation modes: manual or automatic or run with a photocell. See here, this is a panel for, of course the IP will be more than 65 because it will be in the outdoor area, waterproof. And here this is the photocell. It is installed from the upside of the panel, and here the circuit illustrates, the drawing illustrates the circuit of the outdoor lighting control panel. This is a main breaker, this is a branches, and here we can control the branches with the contactors. Here there are contactors, and it takes a signal from, it is optional, you can use the astronomical switch here digital clock or the photocell. For example, if I take a normal open signal from this sensor, it will connect with the normal close with the contactor, and will active the contactor to open the circuit to let the current run through it to operate the luminaire or the lighting. And finally, the spanning port, which is shown in the picture, is called the ring main unit, RMU. The RMU also is a distribution panel included in one unit two switches or more that can connect the load to either or both main conductors. And there are many types of the RMU, which is shown here downside. There are the first called the three-way RMU, and here is a four-way RMU, and also here is a five-way RMU also, and it is usually installed outdoor after the transformer.